recording.
Go on YouTube. Just a little taste of UFC. Perfect. Knock him out. Chuck Liddell. You're Chuck Liddell, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Knock him out.
That shit looks so real through that little lens.
I know, dude. Ooh. Yes, this is online. Dang, look, he's already out. Get on him, get on him.
Pretty much is like a real Chuck Liddell match.
For real, Chuck Liddell comes out like a savage. Oh, knockout. Oh.
Right before he has a beard.
Oh, man. Oh!
Backhanded.
Oh, he's knocked out. Woo! Look at that.
Some baby powder all over his face.
Baby powder.